Hi, welcome to Science Central. My name is Megan, and today I'm going to be talking to you about recycling. Now, what is recycling? Recycling is a process that we can follow to reduce the amount of waste that ends up filling up our landfills. So anything that can be reused is reused, instead of taking up space where it doesn't really belong and can't be broken down into useful pieces. Now, recycling depends based on what your city or county's local facilities can handle. So if you have any questions about what materials to recycle or how to go about that process, feel free to contact your city or your county to find out that information. Common things, though, that are often recycled are things like glass, aluminum, plastic, cardboard, and paper. There are a few general rules to follow for anything that is recyclable, and that is to make sure that it is clean and without labels. For example, my spaghetti sauce jar needs to be cleaned out so there's no spaghetti sauce left in it and have the label removed so it's more easily recyclable. That means that it can be melted a lot more easily and cleaned a lot more easily and be reused into making more glass jars. The same thing goes with an aluminum can. You want to make sure that it is empty of any food waste. We don't want a bottle of pop sitting in there because it can attract different animals like mice and bugs, which makes cleaning those recyclable materials and breaking them down into reusable parts a lot more difficult. Something else to think about if you're recycling things like cardboard is to make sure that you collapse your box so it's nice and flat and fits neatly into your recycling bin. Anything with paper needs to be without staples before you put it in there as well, because staples will go ahead and they will clog up the machines that help shred that paper and break it down so we can use it as new paper and other objects. Hopefully this answers some of your questions about recycling. Remember, science is fun.